Hello everyone, guys. I need your feedback on the quality of the stream. Just like change some settings. You also can see you can see 1080 HD quality. Please let me know how picture, how's extreme quality, and etc. I'm in short on gold right now. Like small trade. It's in a deep premium market. Yeah, cool. No lags, I hope. If there is some lags, let me know too. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Nice drop. Oh my god, this is such a nice drop right here. It's like took all liquidity out and then like pumped. Crazy. Good morning. Yeah, I'm in Solon Gold from here. Like Hyperdexa, you can do whatever you want. I'm not allowed to tell you what you cannot do. We don't have... No, we have slavery here in Russia, but you're not my slave, so... Like Nasdaq went up like 2% on pre-market. 2%. This is fucking insane. This is insane. 2% on pre-market. I'm thinking about BTC right now. Ethereum is a bit dirty. Solana is nice too. Solana actually like really nice. So I just wanna show you this. And it already has like church and breaker market structure. So next target gonna be like this one, 193. So and BTC looks nice as well. BTC looks very nice in my opinion. Index. I don't trade Audi, Swiss franc. It looks alright. Maybe you can hold till daily open, but I don't like it's just we have equal lows here. I don't trade these pairs, so I cannot tell you for sure. But I don't like this equal lows. Maybe on another broker, maybe on your broker, it looks different. Let me see in mine how it looks like.
Это тоже сюда в коробку можно положить, Миш. Положи в эту коробку с Диди.
Yeah, it looks the same.
Нет.
It looks the same.
Клади сюда, тут же тоже лего лежит. Клади сюда, да.
Exactly the same. So
Миш,
you want a long, obviously downtrend in a short fair value gap after huge sell. Yes, there is like some swing. This one, which is previous weekly low. Because like the thing is, I don't know how this market reverse, how like this specific.
Мы просто посмотрим, что делать.
So I just can't tell you, but I don't like it for long. I just don't like it. Yeah, it was nice drop. Looks like euro will go to previous daily low, but we'll see. Maybe it will be just Asian low will be taken here. Gold looks alright. Like, let it be. Let it be. British pound, it's a market shift already. And have some room to fall. So it's already missed this trade. Let me see.
Теодор, не наглей, ты. Тео, ты слишком.
Yeah, this is example from yesterday stream. See, like crypto just bouncing randomly, so you can't predict it. You just can't. It's unpredictable right now. It can go up, it can go down, so it's hard to tell. On the first 30 minutes, you usually don't trade anything. You just like don't. You have to wait. I mean, like about like Forex market, Euro USD, etc. French 40. They probably correlate. French 40 correlated. With related with German 40 index too and Euro 50. So I don't know like what you try to long here, because look at this. So you have plenty of liquidity. You had plenty of liquidity, and this liquidity been taken, and now you have this. Now you have this. I don't know this index. I haven't traded it. But the thing is, if it's similar to German 40, most likely it goes from one liquidity to another one. Most likely. So if it goes above this one, yes, it will keep pumping. I agree. So it will go like this. But if it goes below this line, it will keep falling and probably will go to the previous daily low. So I'm an old school guy. I don't enter positions like right away. I just like I want to wait for confirmation. So confirmation for me is more important than anything. So like German 40 is a clear uptrend from Asian market. So we had consolidation, and then in 8:30 it just pumped. Now it's a pullback, like normal reaction, and then it's keep going higher. But here I don't know yet. Yeah, in Frankfurt it's been taken, liquidity been taken, and now I don't know. Also we have a news if I'm not mistaken. Let me see, invest. If for scalp, yeah, for scalp, I don't do scalps. I don't do scalps. I trade like technical analysis, so yeah. So at like London's open, usually some manipulation. Yeah, same on Frankfurt, like not Frankfurt, on German index. You can see market opening, some manipulation to take liquidity out, obviously. Oh, gold is moving. So let me see today. Okay, so today we have 45 minutes. It's unemployment in Germany. Then in 2 hours, it's index consumer index, and then shit ton of news. Okay. Employment claim. And FOMC at 9 p.m. my time. Not great day for trading. Oh my god, look at this. Oh my god, it's so disgusting. But yeah, if it's gonna break through this one, it will keep going lower. For sure. Gold, it's just in a short point. That's why I open my position, and that's why my stop is so big. I can move my stop right here and decrease my risk by half. So it's okay to do it. Yeah, it's literally by half. And I see like German 40 just took liquidity out, so liquidity been taken. Price, and also first 30 minutes usually we can see some manipulation. The price can literally reverse here and it will go down. So it could be high of the day for German 40, and price will keep going lower because amount of liquidity that's been built there, like it's fucking insane. Euro 50, it's already pumped. French still consolidating. So as I said, I want to see in the French index, I want to see some breakthrough from this high, from this higher high or this lower high. I want to see like something. Otherwise it's you gambling here. This like open position right here, it's gambling or scalping. Boss is okay too. Can short here if you bolt. You can short like this. But it's gonna be bold, guys. This is bold because most likely you will get stopped. But you have some logic behind it because like next target is going to be this high. So keep this in mind. Okay, I almost have 1-to-1 on my gold trade. We have like over 20 people here. please guys, give me some feedback on video quality, because we just changed some settings and I want to know how it looks like. Is it better than previous like day, etc, etc. Also, this is like last stream this month, obviously, because it's the last day of the month and last stream of this week. We will ask you to give us some feedback, because it's important for us, like what you want to see, like what we can improve, etc, etc, all this kind of stuff. So please give us some feedback if you want this stream to continue, and if you want the streams to get better. That's it. Yeah, looks like German 40 is done. Open one more trade on German 40. It's a bit bold, not gonna lie. Super risk trade, but I have some room. I got like very nice profits yesterday, and my gold trade is about to hit 1-to-1. So it's a huge short poem. Have some news. So we have a news literally in 30 minutes. So be very careful here. Maybe it's gonna be a stop. I don't know. Maybe. And Maybe I'm wrong. But it's fine. I'm okay with it. On the gold, I can move my stop limit entry, so it's a risk-free trade. Yeah, stop limit entry on the gold. French one, it's fine. German. Yeah, I keep it this way. Look, it's so bold. This is so bold. This is so bold. Super risky trade. Super risky. Don't do that at home.
Сейчас открою.
Don't do this at home. Super bold. You can close it if you open it with me. At break even right now. Don't do this. Like if you are not willing to risk. I just have like a room to risk, so otherwise I wouldn't do it. But most likely it will be like drop on in use, in my opinion, or like pump on in use. So, kind of hard to tell. Buy 5 stars. Usually indicator never wrong when it's like 5 stars. Sell 1 star. I disagree here. The thing is, if it goes below this line, it will be confirmation. Because this is a liquidity graph already. And if it pumps, it will keep going up. And nothing can stop it. But if it drops here, most likely it will keep going down. So, but it's a bold move, guys. It's a bold move. Specifically, this candle, if it closes like this, it's over basically. I hope so. And the problem is spread, so you can just be hit with spread. It's going to be over for you. Alright, but if it breaks below this one, it's gonna be confirmation. It's gonna be like nice short, like a really nice short. I might even like add this index to my watch list. Oh, nice drop. It's almost 1-to-1 already. It's a good for scalping, by the way. It's good for scalping. So if you scalper, like here's your take profit. But if you're a bald guy with iron balls, this is like, you can hold it. You can fuck around, why not? I don't know about you guys, like I made like really nice profits this month. I'm gonna count it later. And most of my trades been online. I usually, at least like the last like couple weeks, I don't trade outside of streams. Only like maybe between streams I can open like some trades, but usually don't. Or like 10-15 minutes before trades. And it's been like really well, so all my gains that I posted like real. I also provide some screenshot from terminal and gains from terminal in profit on the Flux Charts Discord channel. You can check it out. Link you can find below in the description. I move my stop entry here on German 40, by the way. So it should be a 1-to-1. The risk reward. It's a 1-to-1. Depends on spread. It goes kind of hard to tell, but yeah, it should be 1-to-1 already. Gold. It's been 1-to-1 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's been 1-to-1, so we can stop limit entry here. Stop limit entry. Let's use everything's fine. Because it might be reaction outside of this fair value gap. So here's stop limit entry. Yeah, we have a few indicators, just 1 sec. So my stop limit entry here. 1 second. So, yeah, we have a free indicator. To get them, just go to indicators. Right, like Flux chart by Flux chart, and you can see like all this indicator. Also, you can visit order blocks by Flux chart, like very popular, as you can see. But most of the people use SFX Algo, so it's an indicator that shows like buy and sell signals. Support resistance is very useful if you trade classic technical analysis. And Bollinger Bands, yeah, it's kind of nice too. I tested it. It's probably hit stop limit entry. Yeah. Well, as you can see, for scalping it was nice. It was 1-to-1 trade against trend, obviously, but the thing is, it was good for 1-to-1. So if you took like 1-to-1 trade, amazing, amazing. You can, if you like the streams also, guys, don't forget to show some support, like the stream, and subscribe. Also, you can visit fluxchart.com, and we have 7 days money back guarantee, like for you. On all our indicators, if you like them, like why not? I also show this indicator like in real time, how I trade with this indicator. I mostly trade with price action toolkit. It's very useful. Fuck, it's so fucking useful. Gold. Nice. Stop limit entry on gold. On German 40, the problem is we have a news in 15 minutes, and in Europe we have a news in 1 hour 30 minutes. So I kinda don't like trades here. And you see, like on NQ we have S&T divergence right now, and already have charge. So if price goes below this line and below this line, we can short it. I can short NQ even in London session, which is gonna be like nice. It was liquidity grab, if I'm not mistaken. No, on the futures it's fine. So most likely it will keep going down. On 50 minutes it closed super bearish. So we'll see. Yeah, this is like order block, and you look at the volume here on 1 hour. This is fucking huge. That's why I use this indicator most of the time. And look at this order block. That's why the price, it couldn't go lower. Just like tested it and it went up. But not now. You shall not pass, as Gandalf said. Oh my god, French looks so bearish. But I'm gonna wait. I have to be patient. Order block here, yes. The problem is, if there is not much volume, like this is what's going on, like with this indicator. But I need like volume profile here. Yeah. It looks better now, but I need volume profile. Gold is enough, to be honest. But I just show you how you can scalp, basically. You just open, like, you see liquidity grab, and you open position to like first trouble area. First trouble area, it was like this fair value gap. If this fair value gap will be broken, most likely, not broken, invalidated, most likely price will keep going lower, most likely. So until then I cannot open any position, but if we use like price action as our like main method of trading, this is bearish, because when price does this, specifically high after high in 1 minute, it's super bearish. Marwan, you can do whatever you want. If you're happy with your gain, it's been like 1-to-1 trade. That's it. You can close your trade. For me, it's still bearish. It's I showed it on 1 hour. It's a big short boy. We have a obviously we have a downtrend. We have this tool. It's a downtrend on 4 hours. It's a downtrend on like 1 hour not, but on 4 hours yes. On a daily I don't think it's a bullish. It's a range on a daily, so you cannot say. Yeah, on daily it's a bullish, but if we're talking about like 1 hour and 15 minutes, it's a bearish already, because we just had like market shift. And for me, it can go even lower. For me, it can go like even till this area. So I might set some runners and I will keep my trade open like this. Because we have liquidity and we're in a short boy right now. I already have 1-to-1 on my trade on gold. It's a 1-to-1. So my stop limit entry, and I don't care what will happen. If it's gonna hit my stop limit entry, fine. I'm telling you like what I think and my thoughts about my trades. You can do whatever you want. Again, it's your decision. I cannot make your decision like instead of you. It's your decision, your trades, your life, your money. I understand like it's quite simple to have a person that will decide everything for you. Get married if you want to, or like, yeah, just get married and find a person that will decide everything like for you. What you're gonna do. But here, if it's gonna close like this in 15 minutes, I will close it, because it would have been like the liquidity grab, and most likely price will reverse and keep going higher. If it's closed bearish, I will have my position open. This is like what I'm gonna do. You can do whatever you want. News in 20 minutes and 55, what? Yeah, 55 minutes. In 20 minutes, yes. 19. To be sure.
Что, зайка? Вылезти хочешь? Очень хорошо иду. Я иду.
Fuck, it looks bearish. So, like, I don't wanna buy gold here, but it looks like it. Maybe it will reverse till this area, so something like this. It can it's possible. It can happen. Oh yeah, the euros looks so bad. Oh. Euro looks so bad. Hello, cheese guy. Hello. Euro, like, it's awful price action. Yeah, it's like awful. I don't know like where it will go, and go like 15 minutes maybe like trade here, but what can I say? It's end of July. What can I say? But most likely it will go down. French index looks nice for short. Yeah, like it looks really nice. I might be shorting it. German index, like, wait for news. It's a 15 minutes like for news, so if you wanna risk, feel free to do it. If you don't wanna, like, don't do it. Quite simple. Audi, like, also, so Audi's, let's see. Yeah, like I said, let's see. And most likely you trade this index during Asian session, because, and maybe New York session. London is London, yeah. Mostly in Asian, yeah, Asian session. It's more active than in any other sessions. Sometimes in London on Wednesday, but because of news probably. But in general now. Gold. On a gold, it's just like waiting for 15 minutes how this candle will close. So if it's gonna close bullish, most likely I will cut my trade with 1-to-1. It's already stop limit entry, so whatever. But like NQ as S&P 500 looks extremely bearish in my opinion, so might short it too. We'll see. Euro, British pound, nah, they're not my cup of tea. But on audits obviously look like uptrend. Bitcoin trash, tone trash. Actually tone looks nice. On tone it's obviously uptrend. Yeah, it looks alright. Looks alright. Same as with gold, it's usually reversed like a bit like ugly. So we had the really nice move during Asian session, and price came into like short boy. So it's gold usually. Миш, подскажи, пожалуйста. So, yeah, it was like bearish on the gold, so I keep my short open. Yeah, I was saying about like gold. So gold usually play around like two things. It's liquidity and order blocks. That's it. So like only like two things. Daily open, of course. Daily open. It's daily open plays a huge role, or like everywhere on like every chart, on every like instrument. So keep this in mind. So every instrument has its own specifics. You just like can't work on one instrument and then blindly move to another one. So for example, indexes like German 40 specifically, it plays around like fair value gaps. Look at the reaction outside of this fair value gap. And French, I don't know. Maybe it's liquidity, maybe it's order blocks. I know gold for sure it's order blocks and liquidity. So like some liquidity levels. That's why price can reverse right here. But on 50 minutes it's close bearish. So I'll keep my position open with stop limit entry. Euro, the thing is with Euro, Dixie just had market shift. This one. And most likely it will go to take out this loss. I just understand like where is my previous weekly high and lows levels. It's kind of weird to me. Yeah, most likely it will go to the previous weekly low. And also it's fulfills this fair value gap. So maybe Euro is bullish. Like this. 1 to 2 trade. Yeah, gold. I don't know. It's stop limit entry, so whatever. I don't care much. But we have a news in 8 minutes. have like this fair value gap, so it might play out. And obviously we had MS, this one. MS.
Миша еще есть.
Where's on?
Миша, еще тряпочка.
So this order block. Fair value gap order block. So stop limit right here. Make sure it's in the profit. That's it. Quite simple.
Все, закрывайте. Пока больше нет тряпочек. Лего собирайте. Саше пока нечего относить. Еще нечего относить. Собирай пока лего. Миша, помогай Саше собирать лего. Книжку держи.
Like, looks like here we will go up to the previous daily high or maybe higher. So 1 to 2 trade. Oh, you see like DXI, but the problem is we have a news soon and I don't want to do anything. Don't want to open any position on euro, so it's like forbidden in my trading strategy. Just use the candle. Let me see. Use the candle. I used to trade it, by the way, so I know like some about it. I used to trade it a lot. Yes, it looks amazing for short, to be honest. Yeah, it looks really good. But today we have a news on Canada. It's Canadian GDP. So keep this in mind. Be very careful with it. Yeah, 1 hour it's already like downtrend. 1 hour it's I don't know if it's correlated with something. Like 15 minutes. It's obviously consolidating. So what can happen? We can pump during the news, take out like this equal highs, this one, and then nuke down. Easily can happen because this equal highs is something something that can like fuck you pretty bad, fuck you up. So be very careful here. But my prediction is quite simple. So maybe it will go down a bit. Let's say it's weekly open, fair value gap, etc. Then pump and then no. Maybe something like this. This is like what I would expect. But obviously, amount of liquidity here is like really nice sign that price might go lower. I will add it to my watch list and we'll keep an eye on it. But without news, I would say yes, it will go down. But if consider news, I would love to see some like liquidity grab from here and then short. Then short it. I'll set alert here. Maybe I will short. And gold example. So if someone trying to long here, good luck. This is DXI. Like 1 more minute before news. I don't know. I don't know.
О, там оказывается дождь. Но я-то искала оправдание, почему бы не вышли гулять. Спасибо,
And keep in mind, USD Canadian index most active during New York session. So Asian, you cannot trade it. You trade it during New York. So based on your time zone, if I'm not mistaken, look at this perfect trade. You see, it was on Friday. Liquidity grabbed. I'm pretty sure it was a shift also here. Yeah, we have a shift. And then a confirmation. And you have your trade. Fair value gap. Nice price action, by the way. Not too bad, not too bad. And you have at least like 1-to-1 trade guarantee. You don't need more. But after this liquidity grab and shift, you can enter easily. So you have shift like this, and you can enter next liquidity 1-to-2 trade. But here it would have been like even higher, like 1-to-3 probably. Yeah, so it has like nice price action, not gonna lie. Like 3 lots, yeah, it's even calculating fine. And liquidity is a target. You have liquidity, this one liquidity. So why not? Then it's been build on liquidity, then pump. Then again build liquidity, pump. Build liquidity, pump. Now it's obviously we're consolidating. And I don't know where it go. Most likely it will go up. Most likely. So keep this in mind. Ah, by the way, German news. Double top on German 40. Like maybe like this. Let me see, like 5-minute time frame. 5-minute, that looks amazing for short. We'll open short position. Same lot size. The funniest part on my broker, it doesn't look like this. So I will skip this trade. But here on this chart, it looks bearish. On my broker, it looks decent. It looks bullish because in my broker, it's double top. Not double top, it's equal highs. Here, it's double top, so it's extremely bearish, and most likely price will go down. Also, like French news soon, if I'm not mistaken. I'll be right back, guys. Guys, I'm back. Yeah, this is what I've been talking about. You see? News and... But the thing is, what can happen easily, by the way, easily. This can happen. Let me show you. Price can go down and then easily pump because of the XI. Because the XI literally in fair gap right now. You can just pump here and will keep going down to the previous weekly low. Because the XI has better price action. And this is the problem. This I've been talking about. That's why I didn't open my trade. Because here it looks bearish, right? Double top. But on my broker, I literally opened my chart. It looks... it looks bullish, so because it's equal highs. Gold is slowly dying. Yeah. Like, you can long gold here based on the XI. That's it. Like, I just want to show you this example. It's just trade based on the XI. That's it. This is trade based on the XI. Because the XI right now bearish. It just got reaction outside of this 1 minute fair value gap. And target gonna be previous weekly low on the XI. So literally this previous weekly low on the XI. And this is trade based on it.
Почему на чистый плед обязательно надо было? Так, не подходи.
Now it's... Let me see like another broker. DAX 14.
Не трогать.
On my second broker, it looks bearish. It looks bearish.
Иди отсюда.
Yeah, I might open like short position here. Like this. 115.
Смотри, Саша. Ложись. Ложись. Нет, на подушку ложись. Головой на подушку, зайка. Да,
On one account it's 4450 entry right here. And another one it's like this. So my average entry is this one. On two accounts. Keep it this way. It's gonna be like my target, this one. It's not spent. Not spent. 6%. Well, I didn't expect it. Yeah, I'll keep my German 40. Fuck it. I don't want to open anything else. Hello guys. Hello. Don't forget to show me some love. Yeah, gold's still consolidating. Failed. Yeah, euro is not the best choice to trade right now. Stop limit entry on German 40. Don't forget to move your stop limit entry. Otherwise you can lose some money. I don't want it. It's current stop limit. One-to-one trade, always move to your stop limit entry, always. Yeah, price like nuking. Congratulations if you took this trade with me. USD Canada. Yeah, like I said, like this is a target. This is a target because Dixie is pumping. Also, look at this. Maybe on some like you have to check your broker how it's gonna be. Because it could be not equal loss, it could be like double low. So liquidity grab and pumping. So be careful with this. Like every instrument has its own specifics. You can't trade USD Canada like you trade in Euro USD. You can't trade like I think it's like more similar USD Canada to USD like Swiss franc. So it's quite the same. At least it's something that you can compare. Because first of all it's inverse correlation, so it's a USD against Swiss franc, not Swiss franc against USD. So let's keep this in mind. It's like first of all. Secondly, this is a Canadian, so like probably like more correlated with like DXI than like anyone else, because Canadian like economy it's basically integrated inside of US economy. I remember I had a guy like we were playing like game World of Warcraft together. Playing a game together, and he been owning the biggest network of bathrooms like supplies, so like some like bathroom sinks, all this kind of stuff what you need like for bathroom in like States, but he been living in Canada, so all his business was built in US, but he's Canadian. And most of his like friends who've been doing like the same stuff, own business in States, but they're Canadians. So, and Canadian economy deeply integrated into US economy. To be honest, like today I missed like 0.5% of profit because I could have take 1-to-1 risk reward on German 40 and it would have been like 0.5%. Just on like do the trades. So instead of like holding like that long, just like 1-to-1 and just walk away. 0.25, 0.25. And now most likely price can reverse and keep going high. But I will keep it for more for entertainment purposes and to show you like how we can trade. No, it's stop limit entry on this trade, so like I don't care much. If it's gonna hit my stop limit, like okay. If not, even better. Like the XI, like clicking the pump to test this breaker. This one. The shift. Is this like 0.5? Yeah, it's been like 0.5. And then it goes down again. Yeah, if trade like 1-to-1 on indexes, I think it's even better than trade like normally. Just hear me out. So you would have like take 1-to-1 risk reward on such trades, and it would have been 0.5%. So like this like one trade, and this was second if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I did like this one, and it was like 1 minute fair value gap here, like this. Yeah, it was like my trade. Look at this, 1-to-1 quick trade. I've been in this trade like few minutes. It's literally like amazing, like 1-to-1, 1-to-1. And here, it would have been like 6 minutes, 7 minutes straight. Instead of like holding trade for like all the way down. And gain, you just see those like signs of like reversal. And you just enter.
Нет, не
Quite
будет.
simple, in my opinion.
Только вот тут на коврике надо будет сидеть.
By the way, like, you can open long position on USD Canadian. Like, why not? There you go. Or you can open now, if you're not afraid. Now is okay too. Something like this. It looks alright. It's a bit risky, but it will pay off. It's almost 1 to 4 risk reward. Nice. Gold is performing well. It's almost 1.5 risk reward soon.
Еще? Ну, пойдем.
Oh my god.
Хорошо.
25 more minutes for news. Before news on euro. What's kind of news? Let me see. It's going to be.
Так, больше тряпочек пока нет. Пойдем за фокусом.
Okay.
Нет, Александр. Я тебе сейчас...
CPI.
Вот сюда положи.
Consumer Price Index. Of course, of course CPI. Full trading. And oh my god, this is disgusting.
Миш, не торопись.
Um, we'll see like for 20 more minutes. Most likely I will close my German 40 trade, even like in small profit, because we have a news and I don't wanna get any like slippage. Okay. 15 minutes still bearish, but we'll see like in 3 minutes how gold will close. If it closes like this, most likely I will cut my trade. Yeah, I'm gonna close my gold trade. It's gonna be like 0.2% gain or so. Yeah. Close 4.2%. Yeah, like I said, if I just scalp with 1-to-1 risk reward on German 40, it would have been like 0.5% gain. So. We'll see how gold will perform, but most likely I won't trade it till New York session. Like, we'll wait. German 40, this trade is still open. Let me see. Yeah, it's almost like 1-to-1 again. Gold, I closed with a small profit. Like, not small, like 0.2%, it's almost like 1-to-1. Could have been a bit more, could have been like 0.35%, but still it's okay. This one, you can move stop limit above like this high, because if it's gonna hit, it's gonna hit, and it'll keep going higher. Plus 12-minute news, so be careful. Yeah. It's going to be like slow day and crazy one. Euro is the best example. Just look at this. You just can't trade it. You just can't. We'll see like in 6 minutes how market will perform. Like 6 more minutes, so basically and we will see. Most likely it will be pump. Most likely it will be pump. So if you want to protect your gain, you can just like close German 40, because the thing is, on German 40 it can just squeeze till previous weekly high, or just dump. So it's more gambling now, so just be careful. Gold in order block, and if it reacts from here, most likely it will keep going down. Well, I'm gonna like close my trade. It's gonna be like 0.25%, just like for protection, but for entertainment purposes, if you want to, you can just keep this open, and we'll see how it will perform with stop limit entry, of course. Yeah, yeah, 0.25 now. Obviously, CPI went up. What is core PPI? Core CPI should be the same. Like, news didn't do shit, to be honest. By the way, like, just guy, if you hear like great entry here, like perfect entry on USD Canadian, so looks amazing. I'm gonna open short on gold. This is a short on gold, most likely. Like this. Super aggressive selling. And respected the liquidity grab from here and respecting this order block. Full feel of it. I'm still waiting how this 5-minute candle will close. Just wait for 5-minute candle and then probably will short it. To wait for 5 minutes. If it's close like even like this, it's still bearish. If it's gonna close green, so it's gonna be bullish. I'm still waiting, but most likely it's a bearish, and I will open my short soon. As soon as it's gonna break below this line. Still waiting. I will set alarm right here. If it goes below, I will short it. Stop will change to this one. One account German 40 is still printing, but I won't count it in the recap, so it's just like for if you wanna risk, like I said. If you're risking, you can open the trade. You can keep the trade open. It's almost 1 to 2 risk reward already. I fully closed this position, so if you held it, congratulations. It was 1 to 1 to 2. Actually, I closed it like this, almost like, yeah, 2 and 15 risk reward.
Мальчики, аккуратно. Ко мне оба подошли. Ну, иди садись, писай. Иди туда, писай. Не в коробку уже.
Shorted gold here. Let's go swing trade. Shorted German 40 here, this one. It's a work with flow and near liquidity. Uh, 0.1% risk on this trade. 0.1%. Because I already have like huge limit. I mean, like I already did like enough trades. So 0.1% right now. On the gold, it's 0.25. Welcome back, bro. like my gold trade, guys? It's let me see how much it moved from my entry. My entry is 71 on the one and 35 on another one. So around this level it's going to be stop limit entry. Looks like German 40 will hit stop limit, but we'll see. We'll see. My stop is around like this level in case of some wicks, because it's obviously we have a downtrend. This is confirmation, so it's the first one. It's on 5 minutes, and this one will be confirmation. It's on 5 minutes. Yeah, it's just had charge. So in 15 minutes, theoretically, it can go till this February gap, like this, and down. So maybe like good idea even move my stop right here. Adjust your position, and you can have it. Okay, for 0.12% risk now, whatever.